Kohler 14 RESA, L, with 7 hours worked last night, went this morning. Volts L1 L2 low.
Do you know the model of your Kohler tool or machine? How old is it?
14 RESA, L generator. We installed it November 2019 but used it only twice.
How long has this been going on with your Kohler generator? What have you tried so far?
It worked last night for 4 hours. Won't start today. Error code, volts L1 L2 low. Says it even with no load.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi, I'm sorry you are having this issue. Did you reset the fault and tried running it again?
Several times.
Okay, and then when you run it, it shuts down immediately on low L1 L2 volts.
10 to 15 seconds.
The fact that it ran under load before it shut down on this alarm lead me to think there might be an issue with the backend. But there might be an issue with the controller that where the voltage regulator is. Another possibility, it might need a software update, but since your unit is only a couple of years old, I don't think is that. The unit should still be under warranty. I suggest having a certified Kohler residential technician look at it.
I can't get anyone until tomorrow. My husband was able to start it finally at about 5:30 p.m. yesterday. It ran for 4 hours, he shut it off and we went to bed. This morning, it wouldn't start again. Same thing.
Okay, that good. Might be a bad controller or might need a software update if it has an older firmware. You'll need to wait until tomorrow for the technician to look at it.
He just now was able to start it again.
Okay, that good. Probably means the back end is fine. Also make sure you putting too much load on the generator. Technician probably still needs to check the controller.
We have no load when trying to start it. Not seeming to make a difference.
Okay, just gonna have to wait for the tech. Sounds like a software issue with the voltage regulator.
The tech never showed up. But my husband took the air filter off, opened the choke, and it is starting just fine now. He is also taking the load off prior to shutting down.
It is very important to remove the load and run it without load for a few minutes to allow the engine to cool down before shutdown.
Thanks for tip, after we figured it out.
Try to have the tech still come over and check the controller over.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.